Your kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's the heart of your home. And with the right decorating ideas, it can feel warm, stylish, and inviting. Start with color. Light shades like white, beige, or soft gray make small kitchens feel bigger, while deep greens, blues, or earthy tones add modern, cozy touch. Even a simple accent wall can change the entire mood. Next, focus on cabinets and hardware. Swapping old handles for sleek black, brass, or gold finishes is a small upgrade that makes a big impact. Open shelving is another great option. It keeps the space airy and lets you display your favorite dishes or decor. Lighting is key. Pendant lights over the island, warm under cabinet lighting, or a statement ceiling fixture can instantly elevate your kitchen's look while improving functionality. Don't forget the backsplash. Subway tiles, pattern designs, or textured stone can add personality and visual interest without overwhelming the space. Bring life into your kitchen with plants.